Hello students, let's see another question which came in GATE 2019 Civil Engineering. This was question number 7 in the afternoon session. So the question states that if the fineness modulus of a sample of fine aggregate is 4.3, the mean size of the particles in the sample is between. 4 of the option is given and we have to identify which one of them is correct. So the reference to solve this question could be found out in the lecture Aggregates in the course of Concrete Technology by Professor B. Bhattacharjee, Department of Civil Engineering, IIT Delhi. So first let us see what our data is given to us. It is stated that the fineness modulus of the fine aggregate is 4.3 and we have to find out the mean size of the particles. So fineness modulus 4.3 means greater than the sieve number 4 and less than the sieve number 5, in between sieve number 4 and 5. So let us see what are the standard sieve available to us as per IS standards. So last one is span 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the in increasing order of size. So between sieve number 4 and sieve number 5. So sieve number 4 is 1.18 mm and sieve number 5 is 2.36. So the particle size would lie between 1.18 mm to 2.36 mm. This corresponds to option number C. So option number C is correct for this question. Thank you.